Hey y'all, this is Eric Kirkus with TechVoid. We just did an entire video out of focus, so I want to do a quick little overview of the new Samsung Galaxy S9 because we just did an unboxing and it didn't quite work out. Anyway, this is it. It is pink, at least this one is. It's gorgeous. It looks basically the same as the Samsung Galaxy S8, except that the fingerprint reader is now below the camera, and the heart rate monitor is now to the right of the camera, and the camera has dual aperture, which means it changes in size in different modes to take advantage of different lighting situations. So that's a pretty cool feature, but will it make a difference to the casual or the average Samsung smartphone user? Good question. The other main changes are, of course, there is now a dual speaker on the bottom. It's upgraded on the bottom, and I think the earphone acts as the dual speaker instead of just a single one on the previous generation Galaxy models. Okay, so we have started up the phone, and I'm going to open the camera just to show you what I'm talking about regarding these changes. So if you swipe through the modes here, we have super slow-mo, AR emoji, which is the new competitor to Apple's Animoji, which is sort of a gimmick. You have bunnies. Let's see if we can do one here. We'll do a selfie and we'll see if we can take an R emoji. We have to create one. So you pick one, and that's me. That's me talking as a bunny rabbit. And that's me talking as, I don't know what this is. A blue blockhead with a scarf or a life jacket. And a cat. Pretty funny. Alright, let's go back. We have wide selfie. Hey everybody. And self-focus. And of course on the rear camera we have more modes. Okay, so I'm going to go to Pro, and I just want to show you the changes here. So you can adjust the aperture size here. So the f-stop currently is f2.4, and now if I change it, it is f1.5, as you can see here. And then you can adjust the light and the shutter. Anyway, what I want to do is try and show you what the shutter, when I do this mechanical change, if I can show it to you on the camera, that would be nice. So I'm doing that right now, I believe. Not sure if you can see that, but that is, let me try it one more time just to make sure. Tapping to change the aperture. Here, we'll do it this way. So I'm changing it right now. So that's pretty cool. We'll have to see how it changes the way we take photographs in different scenarios. But it's a pretty cool a change to a smartphone camera, and it adds some competition to other brands. But doesn't really make the difference when the phone handset is basically the same size. You really cannot tell the difference visually, just barely. I mean, I think it honestly might fit in your old cases, but that is to be seen, of course. I'm actually hearing that they don't, which is kind of great for Samsung if they want to sell more accessories of their own. But anyway, that is just a quick overview of the device. It is gorgeous, it does fit in the hand okay, and the fingerprint reader is much easier to reach, which is a bonus when you really hate a fingerprint reader on the back and you never use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. YouTube has made it very difficult to fund ourselves and keep making videos for you all because we do not yet have 1,000 subscribers, but we're going to keep trying. So please think about subscribing. Thank you for watching. This is TechVoid.